Are you dreaming of crafting the perfect outdoor oasis, but unsure which software can bring those visions to life? Today, we're covering the top 5 landscape design software of 2024, each with unique tools to help you turn any outdoor space into a masterpiece. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which software suits your needs, whether you're a professional landscaper or just starting out on your backyard project. Let's get started. Starting with Realtime Landscaping Pro, a go-to choice for professional and hobbyist landscapers on Windows. This software is dedicated to exterior design, so while it lets you add homes and structures to visualize your landscape around them, it's best for focusing on outdoor spaces like gardens, decks, and ponds. With its easy-to-follow interface and wizards to help create items like ponds and decks, Realtime Landscaping Pro speeds up the design process without sacrificing quality. For professional landscapers, it's an excellent time saver with customizable templates for different materials, sizes, and landscaping features. However, since it's only available on Windows, Mac users will need to look elsewhere. With a one-time cost of $279 for the Pro version, you get a robust tool without monthly fees. If you're a homeowner wanting to dive into landscaping design, the Plus version is available at $149 with fewer features but still plenty to work with. 2. Floorplan Home and Landscape Deluxe. Next, we have Floorplan Home and Landscape Deluxe by TurboCAD, an all-in-one design solution for both interiors and exteriors. Ideal for creating that cohesive indoor-outdoor flow, Floorplan allows you to switch between designing rooms and landscaping, offering a full home experience in one place. It comes with a library of ready-made templates, from patio sets to garden elements, which make designing fast and easy. This software is both intuitive and efficient, helping you get projects done quickly with helpful tools and tutorials. However, the 3D interface can be a bit glitchy, occasionally making object selection tricky, which could slow things down if you're working on detailed projects. Floorplan is well suited to beginners and home users due to its straightforward design, and with its pay-once model, you can focus on building beautiful landscapes without worrying about monthly fees. DreamPlan offers a highly versatile and user-friendly experience for both Windows and Mac users, making it perfect for home-based or small business projects. This software is labeled as home design for everyone, and it really lives up to that by blending interior and exterior design tools into one platform. For landscaping, DreamPlan lets you place trees, create swimming pools, and even customize terrain, giving you a lot of control over outdoor design elements. Its library of plants and outdoor furniture can be customized easily, allowing you to create unique layouts. What we love most is its affordability, with a one-time payment for personal or commercial licenses, so there's no subscription required. DreamPlan is intuitive for beginners, but professionals will also find value in the vast options and customization, especially if they're looking for a budget-friendly option. Now for Virtual Architect Ultimate, which brings landscape design and deck building together in one convenient package. This software is flexible, making it ideal for both DIY gardeners and more advanced landscapers who want to create multi-layered outdoor spaces with detailed features like pathways, seasonal plants, and outdoor lighting. Virtual Architect's large library includes over 7,500 plant varieties, complete with a plant care calendar to keep your designs functional as well as beautiful. It's a pretty intuitive interface, although there are some quirks that might take a bit of getting used to, especially when working with multiple layers. One standout feature is the Deck Wizard, which lets you design custom decks quickly and easily, making it great for beginners. With a one-time fee, no subscription required, it's a fantastic choice for Windows users who want to invest in high-quality landscape design. Lastly, let's talk about Space Designer 3D, a browser-based solution perfect for those who don't want to be tied to a single computer. You can access it directly from any browser without downloading software, which makes it ideal if you need flexibility in where you work. While its primary focus is interior design, it also offers an impressive selection of plants, trees, and outdoor furniture, so you can create realistic landscapes. However, it's important to note that you can adjust ground elevation with Space Designer, meaning your designs are limited to flat terrain. This might be fine for simpler projects, but could feel restrictive for advanced users who want to explore more complex landscapes. Space Designer offers multiple plans, including a per-project payment model, so you can pick the option that best fits your needs. And with a free demo, you can try it before committing, which is perfect if you want a feel for its capabilities without any upfront cost. When choosing your landscape design software, think about what fits your needs best. Are you looking for an easy tool to plan out your own backyard? Or do you need professional-grade features to build landscapes for clients? Realtime Landscaping Pro is great for professionals with its powerful tools, while DreamPlan and FloorPlan are more suited to DIYers and home users due to their ease of use and affordability. And if you need cross-platform access, Space Designer 3D's browser-based format might be the perfect fit for you. Before we wrap up, here's a secret tip for you. Whichever software you choose, take advantage of free trials and tutorials. Most of these programs offer walkthroughs or demo options that can reveal hidden shortcuts, making your workflow faster and more efficient. Spending a little time here can unlock features you never knew you needed, and that can make a big difference in your final designs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which software you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.